His Divine Grace Srila Bhaktivinoda Swami Prabhupada Ki!
Death is not as dramatic as it appears to be. Those who serve Krishna, they get eternal life. Therefore, that's the cutting edge, to serve Krishna, so that we may get eternal life.
Vaishnava Guru, Yarasa Guru, Rase Guru,
Oh Hey Vaishnava Guru, Yarasa Guru,
Rase Karuna Kari. Pada Chaya Sodohe Amaya
Diya Pada Chaya Sodohe Amaya
Diya Pada Chaya Sodohe Amaya Tomara Charana Dhore Tomara Charana Dhore
Chaya Vega Domi, Chaya Dosha Shodhi, Chaya Guna Deho Dase.
Chaya Vega Domi, Chaya Dosha Shodhi, Chaya Guna Deho Dase. Chaya Guna Deho Dase. Satsanga Deho He Amare Chaya Satsanga Deho He Amare Chaya Satsanga Deho He Amare Pushechi Sangero Ashe Harinam Sankirtane Shumi Kripa Kori Shadavindu Diya Tumi Kripa Kori Shadavindu Diya Tumi Kripa Kori Shadavindu Diya Deho Krishna Namadane
How to revive our eternal relationship with Krishna in pure devotional service. He did this wonderfully by his words, by his kirtan and direction that he gave, and by all that he accomplished. With heroic valor, he spread and strengthened and protected the mission of Krishna consciousness given to us by Srila Prabhupada.
Jayanilo Premadana Karuna Prachu Heno Prabhu Kota Gila Acharjataku Heno Prabhu Kota Gila Acharjataku Kahamura Swarupa Kahasanota Kahamura Swarupa Kahasanota Kahadasa Raghunatha Patita Pava
So I'm very glad that I could be instrumental to inspire you to remain on that path. And through my written, recorded words, recorded Kirtan, and all else that remains behind, through the memories in your heart, I will continue to inspire you to stay on this path, through thick and thin. When all is blissful, when all is struggle, do not waver. It is. You got the greatest treasure. Never forget. Nowhere in this world is there such wealth. The wealthiest man in the world is a pauper. You have the real wealth. Treasure it. Relish it. Cherish it. Hold it close. Hold it close. Don't become slack, neglectful. Hold it close. Chant every day. Hear every day. Carve these principles in stone. Let them be there every day. And your life will be wonderful. And at the end, go back to Godhead, and we can physically reunite and celebrate there like we've never celebrated before. I'm saying goodbye to you for just a short time. For when we will be, I'll stay with you in my words and memories. I'll be with you on the path, and I'm waiting for you on the other end to meet you again in person. Soon, soon. All we ever desired were broken pieces of glass. The Lord will give us jewels. Oh, stay on the path. Don't get lost. Come quickly. Let us join this festival of Krishna, the festival of unlimited, ever-growing love. Thank you. Hare Krishna.